Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing one of the topic, that is American government basically was trusted by the Space Center group basically. So that is basically not the thing basically. Here basically the American government will also basically say way that basically, "Arey bhai, we trusted software company basically here." So the American government basically told that basically we were supposed to trust or we were not supposed to trust. Now basically the question basically here is Microsoft basically was asked question by the space group basically, if this 1000 city, because he is basically got this information that basically the text box equal to 1000 cities from this video only basically, that there is basically Microsoft basically, because Microsoft was thinking that basically I have everything basically, text box, combo box, but that is basically the subscription data basically. He is paying the money, tax amount, the subscription amount to the American government. On the base of that basically he was able to see that text box, and that exactly same question basically was asked by the Space Center group. That time basically he was not able to give the answer, and that was the number one Microsoft Corporation software company. So that's basically the very dangerous thing basically. Microsoft also basically told that, yeah, Sunil, basically I basically got tens basically, because I have told the world basically that I am number one, I am that, I am this, I am that. If suddenly basically text box will get disappear basically from my Microsoft .NET ASP, then basically what I will do? Then he told that basically we are basically giving money to the American government basically. So American government told that basically we thought that basically So nothing was clear basically. Here basically we are not discussing that basically American government don't know, Indian government don't know, Indian government trusted America. On the base of America basically the India is telling that basically hum number one hai in software company, this that basically. Russian group basically also told that basically we are the hacker group basically. So one of the person told that they might be 100% knowing the each and every data. Next video basically we are going.